Hello and welcome you all to yet another episode of Meet the Masters. And I'm Ashish, your host for the day. Today, Medibiz team is with a personality who brings those white sparkling smiles on many people's faces. He is a top honors graduate from University of Mahe Manipal and has a rich experience in dentistry of over 18 years here in UAE and have treated almost like 18,000 patients. He is a proud owner of two dentist clinics over here in UAE, and he is Dr. Anand Shenoy from Dr. Anand Shenoy's Dental Clinic. Hello, doctor.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good, thank you. Thanks for inviting me for the show.
Just wanted to begin with, can you tell us something about your dental clinic and your services?
Well, to begin with, I started my dental clinics in 1999, and it's been a long journey of almost 18 years. And through 18 years, like you said, I've seen over 18,000 patients, and it's been a beautiful experience. And I think Dubai is a great place to have a good dental practice. We get to meet interesting people, peoples of all different nationalities, and it's a rich experience. You get to meet people in different walks of life, people who have been here for a long time, people who are just transiting through Dubai as one of the stepping stones or places, moving on to other countries and changing different careers from Dubai. So yeah, it's been a very interesting journey.
Seems interesting, no doubt. So tell us something about your team. Like you have two clinics here in Motor City and another one is Satwa. So tell us something about your team.
I started initially just me and one dental assistant, just two people, and now we have grown to two dental clinics. We have three dentists working along with me, and we have around 4 dental assistants working with me. And we have 2 branches, one in Satwa, Diafa, and one here in Motor City. We started the Motor City clinic, it's been over 3 years now, and we decided to branch out from Diafa, which was our original clinic 18 years ago, because as we know now, Dubai is moving a lot outside main central Dubai. A lot of families are moving out to this side of town. There's a lot of developments for families here. So we decided to have a clinic on this side of town, so that we can provide our services to more families, since our practice is based on a family-oriented practice. So we would like to treat the father, the mother, the kids, the families. That's been our motto from day one, more of a family practice. And touchwood, we've been quite successful, and we're still here.
Great to hear that. That family bonding thing is, what I feel it's missing, in the big hospitals and what other, brands are, offering.
Yes, that's what we try to offer, a bit more personalized service. I know there are so many dental clinics opened up in Dubai. I mean, when we first started, there were not so many, and now there's almost 10-15 dental clinics on almost every street. If you look at Beach Road, Al Wasl, there are so many dental clinics. There's so much competition. There is always, as Dubai makes you, try to grow as fast as you can and try to expand and flourish. We have tried to provide more of a personal touch. So we're not trying to grow too fast, because if we do that, then we won't be able to provide that personal touch and service. That's been our motto from day one.
Great thought, great. So from being a top honors student, okay, and now a proud owner of 2 multi-specialty dental clinics, can you share some, how this journey has been for you?
Yeah, it's been a great journey. I mean, starting out 18 years ago, you don't know what to expect. You don't know how people will accept you, and whether you will be successful, and whether people will like your services. And luckily for me, from day one, I've never had a problem. My appointment lists have always been full, and God has been very kind. People of Dubai have been very kind. They've accepted me, and I've tried to give them my best. As you know, dentistry and any medical profession is not a very easy profession to do. There's not a 100% success rate. You can't keep everybody happy. You try the best you can, hope and pray to God that things go well. Human body and variations in human beings is so much. You can't treat every person the same way. You need to tailor make individual treatment plans. Diagnosis is always difficult, even after years and years of experience. So it's been a difficult journey in that sense. Providing the best care possible is basically your motto, which is what most medical professionals try to give to their patients, but sometimes it's not always possible.
Right.
And all you can do is do your best and hope that's good enough.
Correct, doctor. Right. Good to hear that. Seriously. So we have heard that you recently went to your alma mater back in Manipal for the celebration. So can you share with your viewers like what was that the reason behind being there back in alma mater?
Yeah,
and how was the feeling?
That was an amazing nostalgic experience, going back to the college, meeting your old batchmates. After 25 years, everyone's all grown up, married with children, and reached different walks of life. Many of them professors, deans, principals of colleges. Many have excelled in their own fields. It feels very nice. It's a good feeling going back to your college, meeting some of your teachers and professors who've been an important role in making you what you are today, and basically get all that from your college, from your dental school, bringing it back into your practice and trying to implement all that you've been taught, learning from your experience, and bottom line, trying to deliver the best care you can for your patients. I think that's very important.
Out of the world feeling, right?
Yes, it's an amazing feeling. Yeah, after 25 years going back, it's a long journey.
Long journey, right? So regarding your the challenges, let's talk about the challenges which are being faced by the dental service industry. So can you share some of the challenges being faced?
Yes, as far as dentistry is concerned, our biggest challenge is education. Educating the patient about dental hygiene is the first most important thing. Making sure patients are aware and are taught about the basics of oral hygiene, because that is the core issue. If the oral hygiene is not good, that's when all the problems start. So if we can educate and get patient awareness on dental hygiene, dental education, and about the importance of dental checkups, and why is it important to visit a dentist, and what are the things that you need to look after at home, so that you don't have any dental issues, and the importance of going for regular dental checkups. I think that awareness is still not instilled in Dubai, and the basic problems, people are so busy with their work and their lifestyle, families, children, your office work, intentions, you just don't realize that yes, I have to go and get a checkup done, I need to see a dentist and have a checkup done. You might do it for your car, you might do it for your other things,
Correct,
but you don't realize for your own self, for your own body, which does not restrict only for as far as the dental field, your basic medical field, having regular checkups once a year for your health, having regular blood tests done, monitoring whether your health is good, because bottom line, we all know health is wealth. And if you don't look after yourself, and if you are not healthy, you cannot go about your everyday life. You can't give full dedication to your work. You can't give full dedication to your family. So you need to make sure your health is always comes first. And under that health category, dental health is a small part, a small but a very important part as well, because when you get dental problems, and when you suffer from dental pain, it's really quite bad, and you will regret it. And most people, by the time they realize it and regret it, it's quite late, and they have to suffer for no reason when they could have come in earlier, had it checked up and solved the problem with minimal pain and without too many complications. So I think this is the biggest challenge, awareness of oral hygiene, awareness of and importance of regular dental checkups. I think this would be my main say for people of Dubai to get more aware about these issues.
Okay, perfect thought, sir. So I'm sure, like, after watching this, the reviews from your side and your words regarding the regular dental checkup, there might be many people who will be, going ahead for doing for the dental checkup.
Yes, hopefully, because we see patients every day who say that I have not been to a dentist for 5 years, 10 years. Some patients have never been to a dentist all my life, which is quite shocking, really, to hear that in today's day of age, that you have never visited a dentist. We get patients like this every day who come with dental problems and they say, I've never visited a dentist, which is shocking, really.
Correct.
In the 21st century, something like this, oh my God.
So, once we are talking about the challenges and you have come across for, the awareness, so I just wanted to check, like, can you share with your viewers, what are the common dental problems with what, the patients are coming to your dental clinic?
Right. So if we try to make like a problem list, a common problem list of patients, number one, patients mainly complain of bleeding gums, which is gingivitis. Okay. This is the most common problem with patients. Again, oral hygiene practices comes into play, and that's what it's all about, good oral hygiene practices, regular cleanups, or at least once in 6 months or at least once a year. You must go and get your teeth clean and have a good oral prophylaxis, which involves scaling and polishing. This is important to maintain your gums. Just brushing your teeth at home is not good enough. You need to visit your dentist. You need to add flossing into your oral hygiene regime. And again, you can't take care of yourself only from home. You need professional help at least once a year. The second most common problem is caries, which basically means cavities in your teeth, for which you need to go to your dentist and get fillings done. Okay. And then a more advanced stage of caries is, of course, root canal treatment, when the caries goes beyond a certain level. And if you don't visit your dentist in time, you need a root canal treatment, which is sometimes a bit more painful and requires more complex treatment. Then common other issues, orthodontic malocclusion, which requires braces, crooked teeth being forward, backward, and all kinds of orthodontic malocclusions are there. So that's another common reason for people to seek dental help, specifically orthodontic treatment. Minor oral surgery cases, quite commonly impactions of wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth impactions are also very common nowadays, because as man is evolving, the chances of your third molars or wisdom teeth getting stuck is very high because of the lack of space in the mouth, and most people require these wisdom teeth to be taken out. Sometimes you suffer from some pain because of this, and you needed the help of a dentist to fix this. So I think these are the basic common problems that we have patients coming in for.
Recently, we have heard a lot about, the cosmetic dental surgeries, what, many people, especially here in UAE, because there is, it becomes a style statement for them to get under this cosmetic.
Yeah, people of Dubai have always believed in style and fashion and vanity, and that's why a lot of people come in again to enhance their smile. They want whiter teeth, they want beautiful teeth, and they seek cosmetic treatment. And this cosmetic treatment is in form of veneers, teeth whitening, something to give you that Hollywood smile that everyone's looking for. And this is also a common request from patients, to have smile enhancement and smile makeovers done, besides the general dental problems that they have.
The rise in the trend in the cosmetic dental surgery, you'll feel like it's more in UAE or it's all around the world?
I think it's all around the world. It's become a very big industry. cosmetic dentistry has taken off in a really, really big way in the last couple of decades, I should say. Especially people looking on the TV, film stars, movie stars with beautiful pearly white teeth. They come in, they want to have a beautiful smile, and models and artists. These are all role models that people look at, and they want to emulate this. And when they smile and look at themselves in the mirror, you might have beautiful hair, you have lovely skin, you're wearing beautiful clothes, you carry a nice bag, but then when you smile and you have not so pretty teeth, then it all is all in vain, because the mind always sees the defect first.
Correct.
And that's why I think a smile is very important for a person's overall beauty and confidence. So I think that's why people come seeking for cosmetic dental help.
Right. Okay. So speaking about the new surgeries, like the cosmetic one, okay. So have you, installed some new machines or equipments in your?
Yes, I mean, last few years, very popular to do laser whitening. We're using lasers a lot for our whitening procedures. We are working a lot with veneers for cosmetic dentistry, especially the new prepless veneers, where we don't have to file your teeth. Earlier, to make these Hollywood smiles, we had to file your teeth, and now we have these new veneers which you don't require filing of teeth, and that's really become very popular with patients nowadays, and that's what we have to offer.
So now I would like to know, there are so many dental clinics which you have already said, okay. So what makes your Dr. Anand Shenoy's dental clinic different from the other dental clinics which are there in UAE?
Yes, again, coming to that same personalized service, because we're not so big, we don't need to have 100 patients a day to fill our calendar or of appointments. We can concentrate on fewer patients, give more time to our patients. We don't have to have 40 people waiting outside our clinic door, and having to do like a factory sort of treatment for our patients. Personalized attention, giving you enough time, trying to understand what you want, and offering you whatever best dentistry has to offer. We even send cases to the US, to Europe, if we find that we're not able to deliver the kind of treatment we want here. We send our cases abroad as well. And like I said, the patient comes first, and whatever the patient wants, we try to deliver, and we want the patient walking out of our clinic smiling and happy.
Great thought, sir. Great thought. So a patient should come over here with that personal bond feeling.
Exactly. We want to make friends with our patients. We don't like to have like a completely professional attitude. I want to be your friend. I want to know about your family. I want to know how the kids are doing. I feel very proud. Patients of mine who have now gone and studied abroad, who are working, some of them married with children. I really want to be part of their life, and to be involved, and to be more personal than just a professional medical practitioner who has no heart.
Okay, I can feel that personal bonding, once interacting with you. It's my first time I'm meeting you, and I can feel that personal bonding with you right now. And okay, so I just wanted to conclude with this one, like any message for our viewers, or what you want to say to the future dentists, which
Yes,
which want to practice this.
I know the medical profession is going through a lot of doubts and a lot of questions. A lot of people have lost faith in medicine. They're not very sure about the quality of medical practitioners nowadays. Yes, there are a lot of medical professionals, a lot of dentists out there. It's a hard profession. Medicine is a very hard profession to practice. It's not a 100% profession, and it takes years and years of dedication. You never stop learning as dentists. You should keep upgrading yourself. I go for regular conferences. I try to go for courses and update my practice and my skills, So I think dentists should keep doing that, and so that they can provide the best that's available for their patients, and for the patients give medical practitioners a chance, and have faith, and find someone who you can connect to, whom you can talk to, and hopefully it will be mutually beneficial to both the patient and the doctor.
Thank you. Great thought again.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your time. I'm sure the viewers would, gain a lot of knowledge about the dental surgeries and the cosmetic surgeries which you discussed with us. And definitely for the personal bonding, I'm 100% sure they would be preferring Dr. Anand Shenoy's
Thank you
dental
so
clinic.
much. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Thank you, doctor.
It was
Thank
a
you for your
pleasure.
time. Pleasure.
So much.
Pleasure is all ours, sir. Thank you.